Modern Toyota vehicles offer three straightforward methods to reset your trip meter and gas mileage data. Whether you're tracking fuel economy or planning a new journey, these reset options give you complete control over your trip computer. The most common method uses the steering wheel controls. First, locate the trip or info button on your steering wheel, typically on the right side. Navigate to your desired trip meter display using the arrow buttons, then press and hold the trip button for 3 to 5 seconds until you see a reset confirmation message. The second method uses a dedicated dashboard button. Look for the trip or reset button near your instrument cluster, often labeled as Audio Trip Disp. Cycle through the display options until you reach your desired trip meter. Then hold the button until you see Reset or Clear message confirmation. For newer Toyota models with advanced infotainment systems, you can reset trip data through the touchscreen. Access vehicle settings from your main menu, then navigate to Trip Information or Fuel Economy section. From there, you can select the reset option for your specific trip meter. Resetting your trip meter clears 5 key data points. Trip distance returns to 0, average fuel economy resets for fresh MPG calculations, trip time starts over, average speed clears, and range to empty recalculates based on current fuel level and driving patterns. All three methods accomplish the same goal of resetting your trip computer data. Choose the method that works best for your specific Toyota model and personal preference. Regular resetting helps you track fuel economy accurately and plan your journeys effectively. Toyota's trip computer system features dual trip meters, Trip A and Trip B, allowing you to track different journey segments simultaneously. This dual system gives you flexibility to monitor multiple trips or compare different driving scenarios. The system calculates average MPG in real time based on engine load, driving conditions, and fuel consumption. It also provides instantaneous MPG readings that update continuously as you drive. There are 4 key times when resetting your trip meter provides maximum benefit: before starting long journeys for accurate tracking, after fill-ups to measure real-world MPG, to track maintenance intervals, and to compare seasonal fuel economy variations. Regular trip meter users often achieve better fuel economy through increased awareness of their driving habits. Studies show that monitoring your fuel consumption can improve efficiency by 8 to 12% simply through conscious driving behavior changes. Newer hybrid models from 2024 and beyond display additional data including electric-only range, hybrid efficiency metrics, and regenerative braking information. These advanced displays help hybrid drivers optimize their fuel and electric energy usage. The My Toyota app allows remote monitoring of your fuel economy data and trip information. While you can view detailed statistics and historical data through the app, physical reset of trip meters still requires in-vehicle action using the dashboard controls.